This is our top of the range Starline S9 setup on a 2022 Range Rover SVR. So this system has an app. You can see where it is at all times using the tracking, see statuses of the vehicle. We've also added remote start to this, so the customer doesn't have this as standard. You can choose from a triple press on the key. The vehicle's going to start up. You'll see on the app, engine started, the vehicle's protected because it's got a bubble around it. You can also start and stop through the app or the key. So if we just hold the engine icon, the vehicle switches off. If someone was to hit, lift or move this vehicle, it's going to go off, you're going to get a phone call and the alarm's going to go mad. So that's the pre-warn. If we go and hit it harder this time, system goes off. We also get a phone call from the vehicle. If someone was to grab the key, try and steal this vehicle, or while it was running, remote started, tried to steal it, they walk over to the vehicle with the key, unlock it, try and drive it away. Just gonna open the window so you can hear what happens. They get in the vehicle, it starts up obviously because they got the key, or if a thief grabbed the key, went to drive this vehicle off, as soon as they pop it into gear, it switches off, turns off, puts itself into park, and the horn goes mad. If they try again, the same thing's going to happen. The only way to silence it is with your unique code, totally up to you. Silences it, you can drive away. Obviously if this is you, to drive this normally, you'll get in the vehicle, whether it's remote started, whether it's just sitting there, you'll unlock it, get in, fire it up. Before you drive it away, you'll go through a code. We have 1, 2, 3. This blue light means it's immobilized. Once this goes out, the system's disarmed, you can drive away. It's nice and simple to use. You turn the vehicle off, the system activates instantly, and next time it starts up, it's going to be immobilized. This blue light's going to be on, and if we select our gear, it's going to go crazy. So once again, in this position, if it's a thief, they're going to run away. If it's you, you start it up, put your code in, the blue light goes out, your system's disarmed, and you can select your gear and drive away. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is our top of the range Starline S9 with all the features: remote start, Halo Plus immobilization, horn firing, call alerts, tracking, all through an app. You can see statuses of the vehicle. You can remote start it from your phone anywhere in the world, as long as the vehicle's locked. So we'll just show you that as well. We lock the vehicle. Obviously we're in it at the minute, but it wouldn't make a difference. We'll go into the app, see where the vehicle is through here. We go onto the engine icon if we wanted to start it, hold it. It fires the vehicle up. You see it through the app, and this will be running anywhere in the world. Say you were across the world, you accidentally did it, you can go back into the app, turn the vehicle off through the app, and it shuts down. No issues. This is the Starline alarm system. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We can see all sorts of statuses through here. If we open the boot as well, you'll see it update in the app. The boot's open. We close the boot. Obviously that all updates in the app. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.